Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You will first verify prerequisites, then enable NFC and security. Go to Settings, right arrow Connections, right arrow NFC and turn it on. Make sure Android Beam is off. Install your bank's app or a recognized wallet and sign in. This registers your card. Once done, add the card in wallet by photographing or typing details, then complete bank verification, usually SMS or app approval. This step links hardware, software, and identity so payments are secure and ready to use. Now you add and verify your card. This is the detailed execution. Open the wallet, tap Add Card, and capture the card or type numbers, accept terms. The bank will verify ownership, expect an OTP or a push approval, approve promptly. Once verified, set that wallet as default in Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Default Apps, right arrow Tap and Pay, so terminals use the right account. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is active during verification. To pay, wake and unlock your phone, then tap the back near the merchant terminal. Hold 1 to 2 seconds until you see confirmation. If it fails, make sure NFC is still enabled and the correct wallet is set as default, then retry. Once done, you'll get a receipt or screen confirmation. If problems persist, clear the wallet cache, re-add the card, or contact your bank, because token provisioning or merchant terminal compatibility are the most common issues in Saudi Arabia.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.